Hello and welcome to the release notes of GrabCAD Print 1.43. Advanced FDM is now a part of GrabCAD Print. Now that Advanced FDM features are available in GrabCAD Print, creation of Advanced FDM projects is no longer required. The option Enable Advanced FDM is removed from the Preferences menu, and the action to create a new Advanced FDM project is removed from the left-handed toolbar. As a part of the move from Advanced FDM functionality to Print, projects that were created in Advanced FDM will open in GrabCAD Print, with each model on a separate tray. Groups are maintained, as are body settings, face settings, tray properties, orientation, and manufacturing notes. Improved performance for VRML, OBJ, and 3MF printing. The algorithm that translates VRML, OBJ, and 3MF files into printable objects has been rewritten in order to prevent slicing failures. Color picker available for VRML files. If you select the body of a VRML that has a solid color, the color picker will now display the color directly and allow you to make slight adjustments. We have two new features for the digital anatomy printer. The long bone axis tool enables a user to define the proximal and distal regions of a long bone. That enables the printing of parts with variable density. Multiple orthopedic procedures require drilling holes and place screws into printed models. On some occasions, they may lead to undesired cracking. To prevent this, the strain relief tool allows you to set a parameter designed to contain the cracking without the model breaking. Introducing the J55. The Stratasys J55 is an all-new full-color printer for the office environment. It is based on the technology that powers the J-series printers, but with a rotating build platform. Here are some updates for the J55 in 1.43. Built-in part scanning for printhead calibration. All-in-one firmware update packages that allow you to update the firmware and job manager all at once. And that is all what we have for you today in this release of GrabCAD Print 1.43. Thank you for watching.